This is lecture number 6 of Data Communications and Computer Networks. In previous lecture, we saw OSI layer and we discussed in detail the physical layer. We saw an example of first layer by briefing you on how to make a straight cable. While doing so, we utilized RJ45. We saw the specifications written on twisted pair cable as well. In this lecture, our focus is on layer number 2, which is the data link layer. So first I will write the topic, data link layer, and its responsibilities. Okay. Now there are 5 major responsibilities of data link layer. Number 1 is framing. Number 2 is physical addressing. Number 3 is flow control. Number 4 is error control. And finally, we have access control. Okay, so we will start with framing. Now the data is represented in form of frames by attaching a header and a trailer to the data. So a data this is the representation of our data, and in data link layer a trailer is attached with this data along with the header, right? So this whole portion is known as a frame. The second part is physical addressing. The MAC or media access control is the physical address of each device. It is a 48-bit address, or we can say a 6-byte address. So just we will take a random example. Right? The first 3 bytes are organization unique identification, and the last 3 bytes represent the serial number. in a MAC address. So if your MAC address is starting with 30, F7 and 72, then this is Hon High Precisions Limited, and the rest of the numbers are representing the serial number. So the series usually starts with all zeros and it goes up to all F's. And this is hexadecimal value. So you can always convert it into bit format. FF means that we can break it into two halves, and this represents 15 and the other part represents 15 as well. Its binary equivalent is all ones. So FF means all ones. So from 0, 0, 0 to all ones. This is the range of MAC addresses. Let me rub this. Now I will practically show you how to check the MAC address of your system by using command ipconfig/all.